Hello guys, how to fix Pbid.exe application error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if you are also facing such type of application error, here are the fixes. And the first workaround is scan your system. Go to Windows search, type Windows security, open Windows security. From the left pane, go to virus and threat protection, tap on it, click on scan options, and here choose full scan. And finally, click on scan now button. To scan your system, let the Windows scan your system, wait till sometimes, and after that restart your system. The second workaround to scan your system is go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, first execute dism tool. These three dism tool you execute one by one, followed by enter key on each times. Scan health, check health, and restore health. Simply copy it from my video's description and paste one by one, followed by enter key on each times to scan your computer, health check, and restore health. Thereafter, scan for system corrupted file. SFC scan now, press enter, and let the window complete the process, and any corrupted files found in your system, it will repair them. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box, and in run command box type msconfig. Clean boot your system. The system configuration window will open. Go to Services tab from the top menu bar, and here make the check against option hide all Microsoft services, and thereafter choose disable all. Thereafter go to Startup tab from the top menu bar and open Task Manager, and all the startup apps which is enabled, one manually disable it. Simply select it and choose End Task, or right click on it and choose Disable. One by one apply for all the startup apps. Disable it, and after that restart your system and check whether your application error is resolved or not. The next workaround, again press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command. In run command Windows, type rstrui to launch system restore Windows. Any unhappening in your system, after that you can go back, restore system files and settings, tap on next, and choose a system restore point. How to create a system restore point? Go to my videos, already available videos how to create a restore point. Select any one of them and choose next, and finally confirm your restoration. Restart your system, your application error will definitely resolve.